Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today is my favorite recipe is beef cutlet. So today I'm going to show you beef cutlet how to make from scratch. Okay friends, so to make a beef cutlet we need beef slices, like thin slices like this, but still it's not going to be that thin when you're cutting it up, but still we need a beater to beat that meat and make it more softer. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make it. So when you beat the cutlet, so like need to be like when you beat, you need to pull it over this way. Alright, so look at me. Just to make it bigger. So one side is done. So now I'm gonna turn over and I'm gonna beat the other side too. The reason of beating other sides, so that your cutlet will gonna get more softer, and when you eat it with the bread, it's gonna be very soft. Alright friends, my cutlet meat is already beaten done with both the sides and it's become so translucent. Okay, look at it. So after frying this, when you're going to eat with the bread, so it's going to become so soft. So this is the way how we make cutlet. Alright friends, I have already beaten the meat, so now I'm going to add some seasoning for marination. First I'm going to add salt. Then I'm going to use ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder. Then I'm going to use chili powder. I'm going to use little bit of clove powder. Then I'm going to use little bit of cinnamon powder. Now I'm going to add black pepper powder. Now it's time to add vinegar. I'm putting Goan vinegar, toddy vinegar. If you find it like mild vinegar, that will also work. And finally I'm going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice. Make sure you need to remove all the seeds. Now I'm going to mix this cutlet beef with a spoon. Make sure the spice is all over for the meat. So this marination is already done, so I'm going to leave it for another 45 minutes just to get absorbed, and let's move on the next step. Alright guys, so now we need eggs. Alright guys, now I'm going to beat these two eggs, and I'm going to beat nicely to apply for the beef cutlet before frying. Alright friends, so I have my egg ready. Then I have my marination of beef. It's already been marinated for 45 minutes. And then I have a semolina here. I'm going to dip this beef meat into the egg, and then I'm going to put it into semolina. So it's time to apply egg. Look at this guys, so amazing. Yeah, I'm going to dip this egg. Drain the excess egg from the cutlet. Look at it friends, this looks so amazing. Yeah, so now I'm gonna put it into the different plate. The same thing I'm gonna do the rest as well. Alright friends, my cutlets are ready now to fry. Look at the way I made them up. So like follow the steps, it's simple. Okay friends, so my pan is already hot. I will wait for a little bit, just to oil also to get hot. Alright friends, I'm gonna start frying now. So this cutlet, it will be fried in one side like 3 to 4 minutes, and you need to turn it around because it's very thin slice of the beef. And if you're gonna keep it longer, it's gonna become hard. Alright guys, it's time to turn over. Alright friends, my cutlet is ready. Look at it, how delicious it looks. Try this at home and let me know in my comment box how it turns out in your kitchen. Alright guys, it's time to assemble the beef cutlet. So this is what I have here. My cutlet is already ready. Then I have tomatoes and iceberg lettuce and bread. So first I'm gonna cut the bread. Make a pocket for the bread. Then I'm gonna use iceberg lettuce, tomato, and then I'm gonna use cutlet meat. I'm gonna add another tomato on top. Look at this guys, how delicious it is. So that's how it makes cutlet bread, and it's called Cutletpao. Friends, I hope you're gonna like my video of today's beef cutlet. So like the simple recipe, you can make it in your own kitchen. And if you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. And thank you for watching.